In today's video, I will walk you through how to add coins to favorites on BingX. Want quicker access to the cryptocurrencies you trade most on BingX? Instead of searching for the same coins every time, you can add them to your favorites list for one-tap access. Let's get started. First, open the BingX app or visit the BingX website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap or click Markets to browse all available cryptocurrencies. If you already know the coin you want, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. For example, search for BTC or ETH. After finding the trading pair you want, look for the star or favorite icon next to its name. Simply tap or click the star. Once the star is highlighted, that trading pair has been added to your favorites list. You can repeat this process for any other coins you'd like to monitor, making it much easier to keep track of your most used markets. To view your saved coins, go back to the Markets page and open the Favorites tab or tap the star icon. Here you'll find all the trading pairs you've added. It's a quick and easy feature that helps you access your favorite trading pairs without searching every time. And that's how to add coins to favorites on BingX.